A mobile application is more than just an app. It's a direct connection to your customers. Whether it's for shopping, booking, or managing services, mobile apps provide instant access and create seamless experiences anytime, anywhere. Did you know that people spend over 90% of their mobile time on apps? A well-designed mobile app increases engagement, builds customer loyalty, and helps you stay ahead of the competition. Your app is your brand in your customer's pocket. With Flutter, you can have one app for every platform. It's cost-effective, fast to develop, and delivers stunning visuals and smooth performance on both Android and iOS. Perfect for businesses looking to reach a wide audience with a single solution. Want an app that takes full advantage of platform-specific features? Native Android and native iOS apps are built specifically for their operating systems, ensuring unmatched performance, security, and user experience. At Websoft IT Services, we specialize in Flutter, native Android, and native iOS development. Whether you need a cost-effective cross-platform solution or a high-performance native app, we craft mobile applications tailored to your business needs and goals. Your customers are already mobile. It's time your business is too. Let Websoft IT Services build a mobile app that transforms your vision into reality. Contact us today and take your business to the next level. Visit us at www.websoftcreators.com, email us at admin@websoftcreators.com, call us at 95916-4202-3. Get started now. Websoft IT Services, bringing your ideas to life.